thought that I should live up to the expectation of others, to please them. But actually, by time, I realized it's more than that. Being a good queen is not about upholding the cause and the situation. It's about being a woman of God. Express my gratefulness to them. To my lasting friends, their bonding, and their passion, thank you so much for the share and support. To my people instructors, especially to Ma'am Karen Gaha, Sir Nico Sultan, Ma'am Cecil Pinero, Ma'am Guerra Pascual, Ma'am Lady Rodriguez, Ma'am Ray Pasco, Ma'am Catherine Keating, and for those I forgot to mention, thanks for the encouragement. To Ate Nika, Jera, Monet, Pat, and Mike for the beautiful support. To my surgeon family, especially to our advisor, Ma'am Marian Kitay, for the utmost support, inspiration, and understanding. I will never forget it. To my Nandini family, Sam, Karen, Ben, Pat, Abby, Jill, Mariah, and Raymond for the doctors, support, loud claps, happy moments, and of course for the friendship. To my doctors, thank you so much for the challenge. You always make me smile now. You're the ultimate reason why I decided to be tough and strong enough. To my family, thank you for everything. And of course, to the Almighty God, this is all because of you. Thank you so much. For the closing of this speech, I would just like to leave a simple reminder for this year's batch research for the CLBHPI. We would like to candidates, just always remember, either you can lose or win, you should stay simple, humble, and as what you are. Take this not as a sort of prestige, but as a challenge that will test yourself. For the next CCL that will wear this crown, be a role model and condition yourself to make a difference. Let's aim high seriousness.